Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to fix you submitted an appeal on Instagram problem. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. So I have actually prepared a few ways or method on how to fix this issue. So method number one is check the status of your appeal. Open the Instagram app and go to your notifications to see if there are any updates. If the appeal is processed, you need to wait until Instagram review it. Appeals take several days, so be patient. Method number two is resubmit the appeal if necessary. Sometimes Instagram might not process an appeal if it's been more than a week. Without any update, try resubmitting your appeal by number one, going to settings, tap help, and then go to your support requests. Number two is find appeal and check status. Number three is if the appeal was not accepted, you should be given an option to submit another appeal. For method number three is log out and log back in. Logging out and logging back in may refresh your account and display any updates regarding your appeal. Go to settings, tap log out, close the Instagram app, wait for seconds, and log back in to see if the problem still persists. Method number four is clear Instagram cache. This is only for Android. If you are using Android, clearing the cache can help resolve glitches and stuck appeal messages. So go to your device settings, navigate to apps, go to Instagram, then storage, tap on clear cache, not clear data because it will log you out. For method number five is update the Instagram app. Ensure your Instagram app is up to date, as outdated versions may cause issues with features like appeals. So go to your App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android, search for Instagram and check if an update is available. If so, then update. Method number six is use a different device or web version. If the problem persists, try accessing Instagram on a different device or through the web version, Instagram.com. This might bypass the issue temporarily and allow you to check your appeal status. And the last method is contact Instagram support. If none of the above methods work, contacting Instagram support might be necessary. So go to your settings, tap help, go to report a problem, and describe the issue and submit your report. Alternatively, you can visit the Instagram Help Center for additional help. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the you submitted an appeal issue or at least get a clear understanding of your appeal status. So thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!